This oatmeal and onion snack is fantastic. We start by chopping a whole onion. Then in a bowl add 1 egg and also salt, black pepper and paprika, all to taste. Add the onion. Now stir until everything is well mixed. Once that's done, we'll add 3 tablespoons of rolled oats. Mix well. Next, in a frying pan, add a drizzle of olive oil. Place the mixture in the pan little by little, shaping it. Now just wait for it to fry until golden. At this point, flip it and let the other side turn golden too. And here's the result. We'd love to know what you think of this snack. Leave your comments below, like the video if you're tempted to try it, and if you're not yet part of our community, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on future creations. A huge thank you for your constant support, and we'll see you in the next episode. See you soon.